In today's video, I will show you how to pause a Tinder account. Stepping away from the digital dating scene is incredibly common, and Tinder actually manages millions of active user decks daily, making it easy to hit the brakes without losing your hard-earned progress. Choosing to take a temporary hiatus is the perfect solution if you are feeling swiping fatigue or just want a break, because it completely freezes your presence on the platform without deleting your history. To activate this, open the Tinder app, tap your profile icon, and go to Settings. From there, you will need to scroll all the way down, select Delete Account, and choose Pause My Account. An important thing to keep in mind is that pausing your account safely hides your profile from the general swipe queue, so no new people will see your card, though users you have already actively liked in the past may still see you pop up and could potentially match with you. And that's it. That's how to pause a Tinder account.